now we're back to problem 3.1c, and we're going to create 4 separate lines for quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4, and take a look at the data from each quarter. So we're back to the original data. For this set, I went ahead and put the quarter first, then the year, and the shipments. From the same, I separated the data. Then I would go in and I chose the first quarter, chose to insert the line, and then I went into my chart and chose to select data. So for series 1, I went in and edited series name Q1, and then this incorporates the data, chose OK. 2, did it edit Q2, and then for the data, I went ahead and changed the rows to incorporate the correct rows. So it would be C7 to C11. Chose OK. Then I went in and chose to add a series Q3, and I want to add just the shipments. Choose OK, and add the fourth quarter Q4 with the series for the shipments, and chose OK. And I edited the horizontal category to be 1985 to 1989, chose OK, and OK. And, well, we seem to have a, oh, I see. Let's go in and select the data for this and make sure we have the corrected data. So this is wrong, it's choosing the wrong column. So it needs to be C. And C. Choose OK. Okay. Alright, this looks better. This looks more like our chart. So if I go over and I check on the line chart here, everything's kind of bunched up here. So I want to do a zoom. And to do a zoom, if you remember, we went over here to the axis and chose Format Axis. And we're going to go ahead and look at 3,500 again, minimum, to 5,000 maximum. And tab out of that and close. Then we'll make this a little bit bigger so that we can kind of see the variation, the differences a little bit better, and how the quarters look with each other. And there is definitely a difference between quarters. Looks like third quarter is a little more up and down in the past years. Doesn't necessarily have an upward trend. Quarter 2 definitely has an upward trend. Quarter 1 looks like it peaked in 1988 and is now on a downward trend. Quarter 4 is now back on an upward trend. It looks a little bit similar here in 88 to the third quarter, both down. So none of the quarters seem to mimic each other or copy each other. They're all very different. Quarter 1's on an upward trend. I'm sorry, quarter 2's on an upward trend, and it appears that quarter 1's now on a downward trend as of 1989.